This video is for the Check 113 Mathematics in the Modern World. So, in this subject, we deal, the first lesson will be all about patterns, no? So, as we define pattern, that is a repetitive design. So, we see pattern in everything surrounds us, no? Pwede rin natin yan makita sa design ng floor tiles, even at the design of our curtains. So, makikita natin na may mga nag-exist doon ng pattern. So, we deal mostly on the number patterns. So, siguro gamit din natin sa aptitude, no? Yung sa entrance exams, usually may mga pattern doon sa aptitude part. So, let us try to have this example by finding the next three terms given this pattern. So, I have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, i-analyze natin kung ano ba yung common pattern sa kanila. Or ano ba yung ginagawa dito from the first term, paano natin nakuha yung second term. So, yun kailangan natin i-analyze. So, I have these three. From number 1, I got 3 on the next term. So, paano yan? I just simply add plus 2 here so that I have 3. So again, I have to add 2 to become 5, plus 2 again, it will be 7. And then, if I add 2 again to 7, so I have 9. So, since uniform sila na lahat kailangan natin i-add ng 2, so ibig sabihin yan talaga yung constant pattern, no? So, 9 plus 2, that is 11. 11 plus 2, that is 13. Plus 2, that is 15. So, by simply observing the pattern on the given sequence, so I got the next three terms, which are 11, 13, at saka 15. So, how about this one? So, obviously, ito, hindi constant yung i-add dito. Because 1 plus 3, that is 4. 4 plus 5, that is 9. 9 plus 7, that is 16. So, ibig sabihin from 3, yung mga kasunod sa kanya na add numbers, that is the pattern of this given sequence. No? So, mag-start ako sa 3. Kung naitalon ko na add number 5, I have 7. So, expected I have positive 9 here. So, 16 plus 9, that is 25. Next kay 9, that will be 11. 25 plus 11, that is 36. So, ano yung next kay 11? I have 13. So, 36 plus 13, that is 49. So, yan yung pattern niya. But we also have another pattern here. So, simply get the square of the consecutive natural numbers from 1 to positive infinity. So, di ba, itong 1 that is equal to 1 squared, 1 times 1, that is 1. 4, that is 2. 2 squared, that is 4. So, I have 3 squared, that is 9. 4 squared, that is 16. 5 squared, that is 25. 6 squared is 36. 7 squared is 49. So, ibig sabihin, dalawa yung nag-exist dito na pattern. First, by adding the consecutive odd numbers from 3 to positive infinity. Dito naman by squaring the consecutive natural numbers from 1 to positive infinity. So that is the number patterns. So we have the term angle of rotation. Angle of rotation. So what do we mean by angle of rotation? So, di ba, ang human body natin ay symmetric. Since the right side of our body and the left side of our body are exactly the same. So, ibig sabihin yun yung tinatawag natin ng symmetric. Pag yung isang object, exactly symmetric from the right side to left side, yun yung tinatawag natin ng bilateral symmetry. Pag yung sa right side na parang reflection lang siya ng left side. For example, I have the parabola. Diba yung parabola, symmetric yung right side at saka sa left side, no? So that is an example of bilateral symmetry. Example din yan sa real life ay yung mismong katawan ng human body natin, which is yung right part ng katawan natin at sa left part ng katawan natin ay symmetry. So that is what we call bilateral symmetry. But there are existing objects na hindi siya bilateral symmetry. Bakit? For example, I have the petals, flower petals na 5 sides, for example. Okay, so 5 sides yan, no? So, hindi natin masasabi na symmetric yan. Kasi kung mag-draw ako dito ng broken line sa gitna, yung sa left side at sa right side ay magkaiba. So, dito napapasok yung tinatawag natin na angle of rotation. So, ang angle of rotation, yan yung angle na required para yung object, pag i-flip mo siya at several degrees, ay babalik siya sa original position. Ang example din dito ay yung starfish na may limang size, diba? So, pag i-flip mo yun at several degrees, babalik pa rin siya sa original position. Even though napos ka niyan symmetry, exactly symmetry, na i-flip ang na yun, napudus ka niyan saan din ang position. Assuming na yung petals ko dito ay pare-parehas yan. Hindi lang pare-parehas sa pag-draw ko, no? So, assuming na pare-parehas yung gaano kalaki yung petals, so pag i-flip ko yan ng several degrees, babalik siya sa original position. I mean, yung position na mapuform na lines kanyang buuan ha, yung previous na position. So, ano yung angle na yun? Yun yung tinatawag na angle of rotation. So, this angle of rotation, let us denote that by big letter A. Para makuha natin yan, we have the formula 360 degrees divided by n. So, 360 degrees divided by n. So, if I am going to consider this object na 5 petals, so para makuha ko yung angle of rotation nito, I just have to use this formula. So, I have 360 degrees divided by 5. So, that is equal to 360 divided by 5, that is 72 degrees. So, this is the angle of rotation. So, pag i-flip ko yan ng 72 degrees na, balik buso, yung for example, again, i-flip ang sa 72 degrees na, balik buso, position yan tayo previous. Okay? Okay. So, let us have the formula A is equal to P e to the power of RT. So, this P, that is for the initial calculation. Tapos, ito yung constant P natin sa calculator. And R is the rate of growth. And time for the time interval. Para makuha ko yung expected population and the future time, this is the formula. So, that is your A. So, we have the given problem, the exponential growth model A is equal to 50 e to the power of 0.07t describes the population of Pasigi in the Philippines in thousands years after 1997. So, gagamitin natin yung model na given to find the population on 1997. So, since ang model na to ay given on the year 1997, tapos ang hahanapin natin din ng population on the exact year 1997, ibig sabihin yung time natin will become 0 because 1997 minus 1997 is equal to 0. Ibig sabihin ang standard unit of time natin ay year. So, hindi months kasi year yung standard unit. So, 1997 minus 1997, that is equal to 0. So, this is the solution for the question letter A. So, we are given the model A is equal to 50 e to the power of 0.07 and then replacing t by 0, so that is 0.07 times 0. So, this is equal to A is equal to 50 e to the power of 0.07 times 0, that is equal to 1. So, this is equal to 50 times e because e to the power of 1 is equal to e. Okay. So, by using calculator, 50 times e, that is equal to 135.5 0.914. So 3 decimal places because the given problem is in thousands. So ibig sabihin itong A is equal to 135.914. That is not the final answer because we still need to multiply this answer by 1,000. Kung ang given dito ay hundreds, so you are going to write your answer in 2 decimal places only. Since thousands yan, so round off mo into 3 decimal places, tapos i-multiply mo yung final answer. So by multiplying these two, that is equal to 135,914. So ma-eliminate na yung decimal point, mapalitan ng comma. Okay, for the problem in letter B, what is the population after 20 years? So since ang ginamit niya after 20 years, that means ang T natin mismo ay yung 20 years. So the value of T here is equal to 20. So by replacing T by 20, so that will give us 50, tapos E 0.07 times 20. So you are going to multiply first the exponents of E. So that is the product of 0.07 times 20. So that is equal to 1.4. Tapos, paki-press sa calculator by pressing 50 times ang E natin, maghanap natin by pressing the shift, then yung LL, tapos ilagay yung exponent niya na 1.4. So that is equal to 202.760. So round off to the 3 decimal places. So by multiplying this answer to 1,000, so that will give us 202,760. So which means this is the expected population after 20 years. So for letter C naman, so what is the population in 2037? So the value of time